Hello, my faithful YouTuber watcher. As you may see from my left, well, as you can see, my PC is still under repairing, and I'm still trying to wait for the ATI Radeon 7990, which is already in production, but it's still not yet arrived in Malaysia. So, as I keep on reading the specs for the 7990, I just noticed one thing. They require a really high amount of a gigabyte RAM to use it. So I'm also upgrading my RAM. So I already ordered a DOMINATOR-GT from Corsair, 8 GB. As you can see, I'm now recording it. The interesting part about this one, it also includes with the airflow system. As you can see, with the airflow system, they only teach you how to installing it, and yeah, the spec for it is a 1866 overclock. Well, me in Taiwan. And yeah, this thing is only cost around 115 US dollar, which altogether will cost you around 380 RM. So yeah, I'm gonna open it and see how good is it. Let's start up with the F-Pro and the GT. I'm opening with one hand, which is really irritating. Therefore, looks simple for the RAM. Still on the packaging. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's put this on the side. Let's look at the RAM first then, shall we? Oh shit, I need a knife. Oh crap. Hold on. Where's the knife? Oh great. Where is the knife? Hold on, be right back. Okay, I'm back now with the scissors, so let's open it. Oh man, whoopsie. Really hard with opening one hand. Hold on. Hopefully this can work. Yeah, hold on. Oh, shit. Oh, crap. Okay, so after opening it, it looks two separate. Both of them are DDR3. Let's see. Here we go. Focus. Here we go. DDR3 1866 overclock, 8 GB. Yep. As you can see it. 910, 927, version 8.6. Yeah, I'm gonna installing it later. So yeah, that's it about the new RAM DOMINATOR-GT from Corsair. I know for some reason you right here support Intel, but they say it also can support AMD. So yeah, that's quite a little bit interesting. So yeah, that's about it. So thank you for watching, and hopefully I can play my games again since I'm waiting for my graphic card though. Yeah, thanks for watching.